I've got news for you. Everything you've been told about soil tests is dead wrong. Welcome to 2023 and the assault on your feed about soil tests. Yeah, it's everywhere. Everybody wants to talk about it. It's good. It's bad. Look for this. Don't look for that. It's a waste of money. It'll save you money. There's all of these different takes on it, and I gotta tell you, all of them are wrong. Every single one of them. Let me tell you why. First of all, soil tests are great for people who care about soil tests, for people who are tracking things, for people who don't know what the problem is on the lawn. These are when you start to go into getting soil tests done. But here's the deal. Not a single one of the people who are giving you advice on these are soil scientists. None of them have a degree in agriculture. None of them have gone down the road of finding out everything there is about soils and soil fertility. They're just repeating information that they've heard from other people. And that's all well and good, but it's only going to give you part of the picture, because it's an effort to tell you that you must do something or you must not do something. And that's just not the way it is. There's only one test, and it's a simple one that is going to tell you everything you need to know about your yard, from its condition that it is today to its condition that it's going to be in the future. And it's not all that complicated. For 99.9% of homeowners, they don't even know that soil tests exist. It's not something that they would ever consider. So why suddenly should it be a good or bad or this or that? Or why do I need to dive into the science behind what's happening in the ground? Depending on your answer to this test, you are either in that 99.9% category or you're in the 0.1%, the 0.1% that so much information is actually being targeted to. And you're not normal. The reason I say you're not normal is because you're someone who wants to know everything about whatever this minuscule object is. That's why. For those 0.1% of you out there, your yard has gone from something enjoyable into a science project. You are now going so deep down rabbit holes, thinking that you're going to do the best thing, that you lose the passion and the vision of what your lawn is supposed to be. A place to spend time, enjoy, increase the value of your home, and that's really what it's all about. Now, if you do these things, you're a person who has an incredible hobby. For you, lawn care is something that you love, so why not spend the money on it? Why not do these extra things? Hobbies overall are just... Because having your lawn be a hobby and investing into that is something that you love, and it makes a difference for you in your daily life. Okay, so now that that's all the way, what is this test? There really is only one, and this one answer to this one question is going to dictate the entire future and life of your lawn. So here's the one question test. Are you ready? Do you even give a damn? Do you? Does it all matter? Do you need to know the details? Do you need to know what's in your soil in order to have green grass? Absolutely not. Now, there are some people who are just struggling to get anything done on their lawn, and they do need all the help that they can get. And again, this is where this can really come into play. They've exhausted all their resources. They've put fertilizer down every year, and the lawn just doesn't come along, and they need professional help. And professional intervention is a great thing to do. That's something I've been offering to people for quite some time, building programs off their soil test, looking at the deficiencies, looking at the surpluses, and making things happen so that they can have success in their lawn. If you want to find more about that, there's a link in the description below. But for everybody else who isn't having that problem, who's not struggling, do you really need to do it? No, absolutely not. Not if you don't care. You don't need to be forced into it, coerced into it, told that it's the best thing, told that it's going to save you money, told anything else that isn't just as simple as, if you care, then do it. If you don't care, don't. When I had my professional lawn care spraying business, guess how many soil tests I did? 0. That's right, none. Why? Because I can make grass green. It's not that difficult. It isn't rocket science. You go put fertilizer out, you make sure it's got enough light, you make sure it's got enough water, and then if something happens like insects or disease, you treat the insect or disease. If weeds show up, you treat the weeds. All of these things are very, very simple, and those are not in your soil test. Lawns need nitrogen, lawns need phosphorus, lawns need potassium, lawns need a slew of other things. Fertilizer contains these things. You put the fertilizer out, you get the green lawn. It's pretty much that simple. So in a quest to do all of this stuff, we just want to simplify the process. I don't want people out there wasting time. It's so much easier to just put the material down, make the grass green, have it be beautiful. If the grass isn't turning green when you're putting down material over and over and over again, either you're not putting down enough of it, or you have something wrong that should be looked at. So again, do you care? Do you need it enough? Do you need to know that information? Are you that person? If you're not that person, don't do it. If you need further coaching, then do it. Take advantage of the resources out there. But otherwise, that's the only thing you need to know. But hey, listen, if you want to go deep into it and nerd out for a while, check out these videos right here. They'll give you all the information you need to know about soil testing and what the benefit can be. All right? Thanks for watching.